Hey guys, I've had some people recently say to me, Dave, I think it's best if we wait to buy a house when we can save up enough to put 20% down. But is that really true? So just so you know, if you put less than 20% down on a conventional loan, you need to pay PMI or private mortgage insurance. The closer you get to putting that 20% down, the cheaper the cost of that PMI is. But check this out based on a home sale of $400,000. So with a sale price of $400,000, if you put 20% down, you can see there's no cost, there's no PMI. If you put 10% down, that's $40,000. The monthly cost is $45 a month. Over 2 years, that equals $1,080. 5% down, which is $20,000. The monthly PMI is $69 a month, which after 2 years you will have spent $1,656. That same home, based on modest appreciation projections, is going to be worth $430,000 in 2 years. So the question is, if you had bought that house, you would have $30,000 of equity. If you wait to 2 years, now you don't have that $30,000 in equity, and you have to pay an extra $30,000 for the home. That's a net loss of $60,000 minus the cost of PMI for 2 years. And typically, you're going to be able to get rid of that PMI in 3 to 5 years, depending on how much you put down to begin with, and if you pay anything extra. As you can see, at least in my opinion, it makes absolutely no sense to wait for a larger down payment if you can buy now. I'm Dave Saylor. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable mortgage information.